boat.
It's a fish.
Look at me, there's a fish behind me.
This is a fish.
Where? What about behind me? What is it behind me? What do you think that is?
A fish.
Oh my God, do you think it's a fish? I think...
It's a fish.
I don't think so.
I think it's a tree.
I think it's a giraffe.
It's a camel.
A camel? You are being a silly Willy girl, aren't you? Where are we going to go today, Nitya?
Oh.
Huh?
Oh.
Homa. Are you being going to? Yeah?
No.
Ooh, who's got such a loud voice?
No.
Who's got the cutest?
No.
Oh.
No. No.
Everybody can hear you. You're being too loud.